Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we are going to make a cranberry sauce. I've never made a cranberry sauce, so I really didn't know where to start. And typically I try very hard to avoid looking at other people's recipes or watching other people's YouTube videos for inspiration. But in this situation, one of my viewers suggested that I check out the recipe by Wholesome Yum for her cranberry sauce. And my recipe is going to be a very slight variation on that, but it's close enough that really Maya at Wholesome Yum deserves all the credit for this. I'm going to link to her original video down below, and it's one of those tasty style videos, you know, point of view, tight editing, music, all of that stuff. So if that's the type of video you enjoy, she's got a ton of them. They're great. Honestly, I'm surprised she doesn't have more subscribers than she does. So check out her channel, Wholesome Yum. Now let's get to making this and see if I like it. We're going to start with 1 cup of powdered swerve. It's important that you use the powdered version according to Maya because otherwise it may crystallize once it chills. And then because I like a slightly thicker sauce, I'm going to take 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum and mix it in with the powdered swerve. I always try and mix my xanthan gum in with my other dry ingredients. That way it disperses better and I'm less likely to get clumps. I'll start by adding 3/4 cup of water to a 3-quart saucepan. To this, I will add my powdered swerve and xanthan gum mix. Give this a little whisk. Optionally, you can add some orange zest. Maya uses 1 teaspoon. I'm just using 1/4 teaspoon. I'm not real big on the orange flavor. Whisk that in. Then I'll add 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries. I've rinsed these and picked out a couple of brown ones I found in there. We'll stir this together and bring to a boil. Once our sauce comes to a boil, we are going to dial back the heat and take this down to a simmer. We'll simmer for the next 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. I've let it go the full 15 minutes. We have a very nice sauce here. I'll remove it from the heat. Then we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir to combine. Then I'm going to use a potato masher on this so that I can create more of a uniform sauce. I'm not into all those big chunks of cranberry. So there we go. It looks pretty good. I'm going to let this cool a bit though before I taste it. All right, I have let the cranberry sauce cool for a few minutes. Let's see how it tastes. Oh my, that is so good. Like I'm immediately thinking how great this would be on my stuffing chaffle with maybe a little cream cheese and some turkey and this on it, or I'm just sort of beside myself at how good this is. So Maya at Wholesome Yum, thank you for this recipe. So I'll say again, the link to the original video by Wholesome Yum and Maya is down below. Check it out. Check out her channel. She totally deserves it. And if you enjoyed this video, click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell so you're notified whenever I release a new video. Thanks for watching.